Greetings, my friends, and trade here today. I don't want to overcomplicate. I just want to go into the market trade and show you that you can really make money even with one indicator as long as you understand this indicator and you know what to pay attention to when you going into your trades. And if you want to learn how to trade and if you want to start making consistent money, I'm not saying that you are going to make thousands of dollars in your first week. But if you want to actually have a grasp of what needs to be done to achieve a goal of making those thousands in a week, you have to start somewhere. You have to start smaller. You have to build consistency, discipline, and understanding of when to enter trades, when to skip those trades. So if that's something that you want to achieve, then make sure to reach out to me on Telegram at Android_pro, or simply join by clicking the link in the description below. And on top of that, we trade every single day. I'm providing you with the signals. My team is also assisting me. So we're going to go into the market. You're going to follow the signals. You're going to have access to trading robots, trading tools that really going to help you take it to the next level. And on top of that, you have access to the database of knowledge that we have generated over the years. So all of that is going to give you an edge in the market. So check it out. And now let's go into the market and let me show you what we got for you today. All right, so I am already on the chart. We have alligator indicator, and right now I am ready to take my sell position here already, and then I'm gonna explain why I did it, and let me get into it. So first thing first, you can see a strong bullish move right here. And by the way, the settings for the alligator are default. The only thing I did is increase the size of the lines of lips, teeth, and jaws. And what we are looking for generally is for lips to cross teeth and jaws in a direction of our trade. Here you can see that the lips are crossing the teeth and jaws in a downwards direction. So this is giving me a sign that a short-term downtrend is coming, whether it be correction or a full reversal. This is everything that I need to take my trade. And you can add RSI on top of that to actually have extra confirmation when RSI drops below 50. This is a sell confirmation alongside with the cross. If it goes above 50 from 30, that is a sign that you have an uptrend or a correction, short-term correction here, which also allows you to place a buy position trade. And this is pretty much it. You can also use this alligator indicator as your support and resistance lines. So you can see that the price continuously, after it crossed, pulls back into the jaws here of the alligator and then reverses back down. So this can serve you as a resistance line in this case. So it's gonna go back, retest it, and if you actually zoom out and go back down here, you can see that you could see the identical situation where the price pulls back, boom, it hits the lip, goes down, retests again, boom, hits the lips here, goes down, and then the breakout happens, the reversal happens, and the price goes up. But here we are. This is our 5,000 here on this trade. I'm looking to double or triple this amount today with just a couple of trades. When I'm trading on higher time frames like 3 minutes and 5 minutes, I'm looking to take less trades, but they're going to be bigger trades because the situation, it allows you to react a bit slower, to process things a bit slower, and get your bigger trades in. When you're trading on 1 minute expiration, the situation change really fast, so you need to place more trades to kind of react to what's going on in the market. But trading like this allows me to really just chill, analyze the market, and just like that, boom, we're closing out our first trade and making a solid amount of money from 5,000 all the way to $9.6 thousand. Beautiful. And let's continue going and let's do another trade, United States dollar maybe, and see the same thing. The price pulled back into the lip here and boom, reversed back down. So this, like I said, can serve you as a resistance line. I want to do real market, and here it is, guys. Here it is. I am looking to place a trade here. I'm not even gonna wait for the candle to close. I'm gonna place all of my funds here, 4,000, as I believe that that is exactly the situation that I needed. I saw This serve is a resistance line for us here, and you can see the price broke through first time, got rejected, broke through again, another candle here, the cross starting to happen on the alligator. RSI is heading rapidly into 50 territory, so this is definitely looking like a strong reversal that we've been waiting for. I wish I placed a little bit more money, but 4,000 will do, and we can go down to 1 minute as the rejection is going to be probably hitting around 30-second mark, and we will be able to place a little bit more. But this is already pretty solid. 4,000, like I said, should be looking good for us, and let's see how this plays out. But it already broke through most of the levels here, so this is the time when you place your buy position if this happens, and you just let it ride out. And just like that, this is going to be another 3.7 thousand on this trade, or around that amount, and let's see it play out. But I think we are pretty good on this trade, and we're pretty safe on this trade, as everything is exactly how you want it to be. The rejection happened, didn't break it. The continuation of a trend did not happen like you see on the previous candles. The next candle also broke through the red level of the alligator. We saw starting to see the lip go above the teeth, and at the end we see a full on reversal that is taking place right before our very eyes. So let's skip it to the end. We have 1 minute to go, and let's collect our funds. And there it is, guys. We're closing it out. We're getting all the wins. We're perfectly entered here on this chart, and we're at 13,000, starting at 5,000, which means we made $8,000 of profit. So there you have it, guys. Like I said, all you need is to spot a few situations. Even if you trade on higher time frames, like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, you can spot a couple of situations and place bigger money. But you need to really understand the indicator that you choose to trade with. And if you want to learn how to trade with different indicators, how to find your system, we can help you find your system. We're gonna take you to one-on-one trading session. I'm gonna explain what things to pay attention to, and we're gonna build it around you, so you are able to go into the market and trade with something that is comfortable for you. So if you want to do that, make sure to reach out to me on Telegram at ntrade_pro, or simply click the link in the description below. We're finishing our trading session with $8,000 of profit. I appreciate you all for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.